and welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for joining today. 'Tis the season to be sweet. It's the season of gift giving. It's one of my favorite seasons and times of the year. I love Christmas. I recently shared 2 videos which were DIY videos for home decor as well as some DIY gift ideas. Today's video is all about some gift ideas that you can actually get from Amazon. So if you're in a quick hurry or need something quick, or you just don't feel like DIYing gifts, here's some super cool, innovative ideas for family, friends, teachers, co-workers. Doesn't matter. There are a variety of things I'm going to share with you guys, and I hope you enjoy it. If you're new here, my name is Angel, and I love to have you join the family. Don't forget to follow, share, and subscribe. I am currently 7 months pregnant, so if I give out a breath a lot, that is why. I have tons of previous videos. If you want to follow my pregnancy journey in the past, you can do that. So let's go ahead and get started. So this gift is one of my all-time favorites. I saw this on Amazon, and I think it will make an amazing gift for absolutely anybody. Mother, father, wife, husband, kid, spouse. And this is a blanket sweatshirt. So I don't know if you can see, this is the hood. It's literally a blanket sweatshirt, and the inside of it is made of Sherpa. It's so soft, it's so comfortable. Oh my god. It is definitely heavy like a blanket, and because it's a sweatshirt, it actually moves with you. So you can sit down and watch your movie, eat your snacks, because you know when you have the blanket over you, you're trying to eat, you can't, it falls off, and you know, it's just really hard. But this thing keeps you warm while you do all of that because it's a sweatshirt. And it's so cool, it's so comfortable, it's great for the winter. I mean, you can work on your laptop in it without getting cold, you know, because I know personally in my office I have a blanket, but it's hard trying to work with the keyboards and the blanket's falling off you, and it's just doing too much. This thing is perfect. It's an amazing gift. People will love it. It's one size fits all. It's really large, so it'll even fit, you know, a big guy. And they come in a variety of colors. But yeah, I mean, honestly, if it's like a really cold day outside, you could wear it to like a game or a concert, you know, to keep you warm if it's super cold and you want to be comfortable. But I, you know, would prefer around the house. But yeah, this is an amazing gift. I guarantee you people, especially that are cold-natured like me, would love this gift. Another great gift that you can get absolutely anyone, well, not anyone, but preferably adult, would be this, which is a wine or coffee tumbler. This one in particular is made of stainless steel and it's shatterproof, which is awesome. It comes with this lid that keeps your liquids in and from spilling over. In addition, it comes with 2 straws. One is a glass straw and one is a metal straw. So that's amazing because I know a lot of cups only come with the metal straws, but this one actually comes with one of the clear straws as well. It's not glass, but I think it's just, you know, the clear straws, which I like because you can see if they're really cleaned, you know, and it's hard to see. You can't see inside the metal ones. That's another story. But anyway, I really love the clear straws. But yeah, it's great because you can put your coffee in it or your wine. So you can keep hot liquids as well as cold liquids in this, and it keeps them nice and cool, and it's not as big and bulky as some of the other tumblers. This makes an amazing gift. I mean, especially if you know people that love coffee or love wine, grab them one of these and they can take it everywhere they go, you know, whether they're out hiking or just out shopping. This is just great to have handy, and it comes in a variety of colors, some really cute colors, by the way. So great gift. The perfect gift for a cook or a chef, a person who loves to stay in the kitchen, would be this, a 3-piece cast iron skillet set. Guys, cast iron, yes, they are definitely for those majorly cooks out there, people who love to cook and be in the kitchen. They will love it. They will love cast iron. Okay, cast iron is timeless, it's limitless. I mean, they last for generations. They're heavy duty, multifunctional. Let me show you how these looks in the 3 different sizes that come in this box particular. And remember, I'm linking everything below in the description box or on my blog, so be sure to check that out if you want the links for all of these things that I'm recommending. So this set comes with 3, like I said, 3 skillets. It comes with this one, which is a 10-inch, and it comes with this one, which is an 8-inch. And then it comes with one more, which is this one, a really smaller one, and it's a 6 inch. So you have a 6, a 8, and a 10 inch. Guys, cast iron, you know, these in particular, they're easy to clean. You can fry in them, saute in them, you can grill in them. I mean, there's so many things you can do with cast iron skillets. But I guarantee you, if you know someone who loves to cook and loves to be in the kitchen, they will love this cast iron set. So another great gift idea is this journal. This journal in particular is made from leather, and it's durable for, you know, years to come. And one thing I really like about this is not only is it made out of leather, the inside has this craft paper, which is a no bleed through, so it's great with ink pens and everything. You can use it for a journal, a notepad to take with you everywhere, a craft book, a drawing book. It's so versatile. You can use it for so many different things. And it's also reusable and refillable because it's made with the 3 rings in the middle here. So you can, when you fill this up, you can take it out, wrap it up, you know, put it up for years to come, or, you know, for generations to read later on in life, and open this notebook up and refill it back up. I think this is great because you can use this over and over, and it's durable and it's different. It's not like your normal journals. It's not too big and bulky. This is really small. You can travel with it. You can put it in your purse. It's great for writing. It's great for drawing. I mean, you can journal anywhere with this. The blank pages give you so much freedom. It's just so charming, and you can use it for so many different things. I think this will make just a great gift. Now, someone who's big into scents, or, you know, loves for their home to smell good, well, I have 2 items. This first one is a wax warmer, and not only is it a wax warmer, isn't this the cutest thing ever? It is so cute. It's made of mercury glass. It's a glam home decor piece, and it doesn't even look like a wax warmer. That's what makes it so cute. You can have this on a shelf or on a console table, anywhere in your kitchen, and it just looks like a piece of decor, but in actuality it's a wax warmer. And the top piece is glass, which is pretty cool, but it's such a great accessory to the home, and it's very lightweight as well. This is very contemporary. It can match your furniture, your room decor. It also serves as a nightlight, so it just gives a room a great ambience. So it's a very multifunctional piece that I think will make a wonderful gift for any family. Another great gift for those who love scents and fragrances and a nice smelling home is this. And this is an oil diffuser, and it's so modern and it's so cute. I mean, this is a really top-notch diffuser. Not only do you add your water in it, and you add your favorite essential oils in it to freshen up the air, to make you feel better, to help you get a good night's sleep. I love to turn these on while I'm in the tub. But this one in particular has 2 mist functions, and it has 3 timers on it, and it can also change colors. So it's so cool because it can set the tone for a room. It's also an auto off switch on this one to keep it from overheating. These are just great for relieving stress, to put you in a better mood. I love oil diffusers, and they serve as amazing gifts. Speaking of oils, so if you do like this and decide to get this for someone, I also suggest to get them a pack of essential oils to go along with it. What better way to give them the perfect gift? Not only do you give them an oil diffuser, but you give them a pack of essential oils. So let's talk a little bit about essential oils, okay? It's a great gift because it's already packaged as a gift set, and I will link it below. But this one in particular has a variety of oils in it, and it's also in this cute little travel case that you can travel with it or take it around your house, which makes life a little bit easier because, like, I have oils in different rooms, but this makes life a lot easier just being able to keep it in a package. This one in particular comes with about 10 oils on the inside. This is how the inside package looks. It's pretty cute because They are secured in here. But yeah, and it comes with a variety of oils. So it has sandalwood, orange, lavender, peppermint, eucalyptus, and a ton of other ones. And guys, I'm a huge lover of essential oils. You can use essential oils for almost anything and everything. You can use them, like I said, for your oil diffusers, to lighten up a room, to, you know, make your room smell good. You can also use them for cleaning. You can put them in your bath water for relaxing, for stress relief. Like, I use oils for almost everything. I use them for headaches. I use them for so many different things in my life. That can be a whole nother video, but essential oils are great of helping out. So whether it's helping you out physically, emotionally, or whether helping out around the house with like cleaning and, you know, scents and home fragrances, they just serve so many great purposes without being as harmful as many other things out there. I'll definitely leave a link and you can check out all the oils that are in this package, and they are strong. I can smell them now. Even though they're closed, they are strong, okay? So, and I love a strong oil because that means it takes fewer drops to get your result. So I love that. They are definitely strong. So this will make a great gift set, especially if you know somebody who loves essential oils, who love natural products. This would be great. Another great gift are bath bombs. Bath bombs are great for those who like to take a bath, who like to relax and treat themselves every now and again. And these in particular are natural bath bombs. And guys, when I tell you they smell amazing, I'm sitting here smelling them now. They smell amazing. It makes me just want to go take a bath. These bath bombs are all natural, they're organic, and they're so great for moisturization and revitalization. They'll leave your skin feeling soft, as well as with a soft scent. Oh, they smell so good. They smell so good. And these are infused with pure plant essential oils, and these are kid friendly. So throw these in your kids' bath and it'll just, you know, color up the bath, and they can have fun with the bath balls. This is a great gift for kids as well as adults. I really highly recommend these, and they're already packaged in a little cute gift box, so that makes life a little bit easier. In addition, talking about baths, another great gift would be some body scrubs. I recommend a good shea sugar scrub as well as an all-natural Himalayan scrub. These in particular, this one is tropical mango and this one is a sweet almond oil Himalayan scrub, 100% pure and natural. And this mango smells really good. It's really strong, but if you like mango, you know someone who loves mangoes, they will love this. It smells so good and it feels so good on the skin. Scrubs are always great gifts. A good sugar scrub especially, that's infused with some type of moisturization like oils and butters. They are great for the skin. They're so moisturizing and they help to exfoliate your skin. And we need them. We all need a really good body scrub. So body scrubs always make for a cute gift. That's also very useful. And of course, you can't have a gift giving guide without one of the most common items that people need every year, no matter what, and you can't get enough of them really, and that's slippers. You just can't ever give enough slippers, get enough slippers. I mean, I definitely am a huge slippers person. My feet stay cold, especially in the winter. I mean, slippers are great for both men, women, kids, adults. So yeah, anybody, you can always grab them a pair of slippers. I'm gonna mention these two in particular because this one, I have to say, if you have feet problems and, you know, a lot of times slippers sometimes can be like not too comfortable, don't have good foot cushion, they're hard, you know, but getting a great pair of slippers is what's gonna separate you from giving a common gift to an amazing gift. So that's why I mentioned these two in particular. So this one, the cushion of it is made of memory foam. These are so comfortable. Like, I'm pregnant, so my feet hurt, yes, okay? I can't stand on them too long, and I need super comfortable shoes, super comfortable slippers, not just the normal $5 slippers. These things are great. They're wonderful on my feet. My feet loves me for it. So they would definitely make good shoes for like your grandmothers, or anybody with, you know, who have feet issues, or just anybody who wants a comfortable slipper, and not just any old slipper. These make great for that. And the bottom is non-slippery, so you don't have to worry about falling on them. They come in a variety of colors, so you can get them for men and women, kids, grandmas, anybody you can think of. These will make a great gift. Now these are also some really nice slippers. Now the difference with these two, now these are more comfortable, but these are warmer. If you can see all of this fur, well, it's not fur, but on this shoe and inside the shoe, these are super warm. Super warm. Like it hugs your feet, and all of this softness pulls heat to your feet, and it just, oh my god, these are so warm. I think these are the warmest slippers I have ever put my foot in. So on super cold days, these will be great because these keep your feet extra warm, okay? Like extra warm. So warm where you gotta pull your feet out of them and let them take a breather. Yeah, these will definitely warm your feet. But like I said, these are much more comfortable, but I definitely highly recommend both of these for gifts, just depending on who they're for or what their needs are. I will link them below. And they both come in a variety of colors, so just because you see me with the white and the pinks, they come in a variety of colors, so you can get them for almost nearly anybody. Okay guys, those are my recommendations for gift ideas from Amazon for Christmas. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to drop me a comment and say hello. If you have any other recommendations, I'd love to know, so drop a comment and let me know. And also don't forget to give me that thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Don't forget, if you want to see more of my personal life, like how the pregnancy is going, what I do on a daily basis, follow me on my other social media platforms, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, Pinterest, as well as TikTok. So I share lots of content on all the other platforms. So don't forget to find me on those other platforms. If you do not check out my previous DIY Christmas videos, don't forget to do that as well. You may find something that you really like in those videos. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Happy holidays!